Nung bata ako, I thought many friends adds value to me as a person. I thought pag dumadami ang friends ko, the more that I will be appreciated. Pero ngayon, ang na-realize ko is that being in the right circle is what is important. It is not actually the number of friends, pero kung paano tayo nag-grow at nakikita natin ang peace natin when you are in the right persons. At kung paano nila ginagawang better person ang sarili mo. A lot of persons often forget that the main purpose of having a circle is to continuously grow with it and never to be held back by it. Hindi sa pagmamarites, hindi sa pang-i-issue, hindi tunay na kaibigan yung mga yon. Ang tunay na kaibigan, i-allow ka nilang mag-grow at happy sila sa growth mo.